it is just hanging there through a plastic bumper. If you tow with that, that'll work. Hey YouTube, we're just loading up. We're going to go to this meet at Mad Mike's workshop with TJ Hunt. The real last minute, we only kind of made a decision this morning that we were going to go. So we've got my daily, which is the E36. We've also got Derek's S15 with a 26 step. Very nice. He's got the full aero spec. He's just missing the little end caps on the back. So if anyone has those, let me know and we'll get some on his car. But yeah, we'll take some footage of that, show you how it goes, and yeah, hopefully it'll be a blast. Been in traffic for about half an hour now, 20 minutes maybe. Some pretty cool cars around though, like heading to this meet. There's this JZX right here. That's pretty cool. Some other cars that we've seen, a few casualties along the way, maybe overheating or something, just parked up on the side of the road, their bonnets up. But we've probably seen about 20 or 30 cars, like modded cars that look on point. And some bogan cars like that one with the straight pipe exhaust and
some good old roads.
Yeah. So yeah, we're almost here. Maybe another 10-15 minutes, and we'll be able to check what this is all about. So we're out here, Hampton Downs. It's a bit windy. Hopefully we can get some decent footage. We'll have a little walk around. This is my buddy's car, Troy.
Hi.
It's got this nice old school VR4, very cool. He had the original rims on it, but then he put these Enki wheels on them, and they look pretty sweet. How long have you had it for?
About a year.
About a year? Yeah, how's it been?
It's been a dream.
Oh, a dream, eh?
A dream.
A dream. Alright, so we're gonna have a quick walk around in the car park and just see what's around, see if there's anything cool that we can show you, and hopefully find the owners as well and have a little yarn to them about it. Spotted this, well, Troy spotted this. GDS-T, looks like a M-Spec maybe? Doesn't have the M-Spec front on it, but it's got these cool OZ wheels. Looks real rad, can't see the owner anywhere. Okay, so this is my buddy Logan's car, Holden Tirana, I think. It's got a 304, I think, a 304 motor in it. That's as much Holden as I know, but it's pretty cool. It sounds pretty rowdy, gets pretty loose, does mad skids. There isn't actually too much on this side, but on that side that we just found out that there are more cars there, so hopefully we can see something cool on that side. Yeah, heaps of cars here have been rocking these, but this is probably the most pointless one I've seen all day. It is just hanging there through a plastic bumper. If you tow with that, I don't know if that'll work. Like this guy, he's just got his one hooked through with a bolt and nut. You can see that there. Like it's just hooked through there. I mean, like, come on guys, you're gonna go to a racetrack, please don't do that. Yeah, you might as well bolt it to your headlight, because shit like that's just gonna pull right out if you're stuck in the sand. Jesus, that's pretty cool. Some JDM stuff. Oh, some cars rolling out. Another MX-5. Oh, we got some guys here with some proper camera gear, not like my little point and shoot. You can hear some RX-7s just rolling around the back there. These Evos are pretty cool. Now this one, I'm pretty sure has a RB26 jet in it. I've met the owner once before. Not too sure where he is today, but it's actually pretty cool. He takes it to the track. Yeah, he drives it properly. So yeah, that thing's pretty mean.
I like what he did with the bonnet.
What's that? That's pretty cool. He's got these little vents. Troy just pointed out. Oh, it's still pretty warm. He must have just got here. Heaps of JDM cars here. JDM Fest. Here's a cool as EX Lancer. Another E30 coupe pre-facelift like mine. His one looks way tidier. That's alright. That's pretty cool. Little old crown there. His exhaust is missing. It's gone.
He's actually pulsing the gas, right?
He's also pulsing the gas to make it sound cool. We've got the old 350Z meetup. Yeah, all the 350Zs. Oh, that one's got a different front bumper. Not too sure what that one's about. I know heaps of guys are saying to get them as like drift cars, like metal cars sort of deal, because they're coming down in price hard out. Let's go have a look at this. Alright, the first thing I can see under there is a D1 spec oil catch can, a G-Ready blow valve. this. Troy just spotted this as well. If you can see that there. Not real. He's not about that life. I'm not about that life. Alright, this is my favorite GDR out of all of them, all the GDRs. This one is not this particular one, but the R33 GDR, especially the V-Spec. I think they're the coolest ones out of all of them. Real underrated. They won the most races or something, but you know, this is pretty cool. We'll have a closer look at this. It's got some roadie forms. It's pretty tight. Oh, he's got doubled up spacers. Spacer on spacer. It's pretty mean. It's got a nice leather interior. You can't see it because of the reflection. Yeah, that's pretty cool. S15 on 33 GDR wheels. Always a good combo. This guy's got the end caps that my buddy Derek's missing. It's very nice. Spec R, Aero, cool plate. Very nice. Also, FCRX7, one of my favorites. Like, I like this, I like the FD. I think they're amazing. I love them, even if they're a little bit rough. A little bit rough. He blew it. Like the color combo. Looks very good.
Take it home. No one wants to see your Honda.
Supra, good old Supra, red. Got the LMs on it. Look pretty nice. I don't think it's got a 2J, JZ, but I don't think it's turbo. I don't think it's turbo. It is manual. What else have we got here? Derek, in my way. He's pretty cool. Nice S13 with some SSRs.
We're pretty used
This RX3 is pretty cool. I don't know which nose cone it has, but it's got the cool nose cone. It's got some Simmons wheels. It's a real nice color. It looks very nice. This isn't something you see at a meet. This looks business. It's got the Sparker seat, got the quick release, which looks like a Lifeline, I think. Full cage. That guy. It's very nice. This, one of my favorite cars. If I could buy one today, I would. It's got the red leather interior, work wheels. It's got the little side splitter things. No spoiler. So this is Luke from Skunkworks, Instagram. I'll put a little thingy in here for his handle. This is his E30. He's going to tell us a little bit about it, and like he's already stuck it up as well. Another LZ sticker. Yeah, so tell us a little bit about your car.
So it was a M52 V28, obviously E30 spot, and then I sold that whole setup and putting in an S54, but wanted to get it running, so I've quickly thrown in a 2.5 litre M52 with the M50 manifold swap.
Oh yeah, sweet.
So it's like made to like run in like a day, so it looks like shit.
It looks pretty cool. So what's going on in the interior?
Completely stripped with Macca's rubbish, and then just 2 bucket seats, steering wheel.
Did you try on those rails that I gave you?
Not yet.
Not yet?
I've got them, gonna do it tonight.
Sweet as. Make sure they fit.
And then we've got brakes, it's Willwood 6-pots on the front, some dolly rotors.
6-pot fronts?
Yep.
Damn.
And then a quick made to run loom that needs to be tidied up still.
Yeah, whatever gets you there at the end of the day, eh?
XYZ coilovers.
Oh, he's got a cert. He's road legal, guys. Don't worry, it's fine. XYZ coilovers?
Yep.
How'd you find those?
I actually really like them, eh? I didn't want to go BC, so I've heard stories about the real stiff and stuff. So
Yeah.
went XYZs and actually been real happy with them, eh?
Ah, sweet. There's heaps of wind, so I don't know how this video quality is going to come out, so hopefully it goes well. Sweet. Thanks, man.
No worries.
I will see you around. We'll probably see you around here somewhere. Got the S chassis lineup. The S13's here, another one. Got another S15 and another S13 there. This one's got the bonnet open, let's have a look at it. So I've got a SR20 det, red top. That turbo is very small, but I'm pretty sure it does the job. Certified, so it's all road legal. It's got a factory interior and an RD steering wheel. Some nice wheels. These wheels are real cool. I don't know what they are. The Civic, you don't really see much of this. Like it's real worked. It's got that turbo. It looks like a K20A or maybe a K24. I'm not sure. Like it looks business. It looks real cool. Love the livery. Zestino tires. Civic Type R by the looks of it. Those down the bottom there look real cool, which look like a custom sheet metal bent side skirt, sill skirt, depending on where you're from and who you are, I guess. But yeah, that looks really nice. We got S chassis, Another S chassis. These both are facelift fronts. That one's got a real nice interior. I like that. Interior. So that one's got a real nice engine bay. It's probably a good time to video on here. Everyone's gone out to check that S14 out. We've got Mad Mike's Ute. We've got Mad Mike himself. Yeah, it's just pretty cool down here. We've got his dirt truck thing, 13B powered, I think. Pretty rad. It's got the all his bikes and everything. We'll try and get around here as quick as possible before people start flooding in again. His RX-7 sitting out front with the 13 with the RX-3 front. His kid's little off-road truck thing that he competes in. I've seen on Instagram a little bit. His RX-8 in the corner, which we'll have a closer look at. And Mike's RX-8. The music's a bit loud, so I have to yell a bit. Sorry if it's a bit gonna blow your eardrums out. We've got K-dub rear, coilover. We've got a Winter's quick change. The half shaft looks like it's hanging out. Not too sure why. His exhaust dumps are right there in front of the diff. It's probably so he has access to quick change anything up. Wide body. The front, he's got a Wisefab front. Looks like a drop knuckle Wisefab as well on the hub. K-dub front suspension. They look like honestly they look laser cut or plasma cut. Nothing too fancy. Probably for reliability. Facelift front looks really wicked. Looks really rad. Boys just checking them out. Obviously you started up something else. I try to see what these guys run on their pro cars, so then I can find a cheaper way to run them on my car, because I could probably make them myself. That's loud. That's very loud. Damn. I'm not too sure what car that is, but it's rowdy. That's what it is. But yeah, it's pretty wicked. There's so many people here, cool vibes and stuff. It's kind of Kiwi vibes, not really too uptight or anything like that. Everyone's just here to have a good time, really. This is a RX-7. Obviously got some rev battles out there, so we'll just stay in here and have a little look around while everyone's kind of out there. So he's got the Rotiform wheels, big dish. Can't really get under his car to have a look at what he runs, but it's pretty cool. He's got the RX-3 front on the front, nose cut sort of deal. Nothing you've seen anywhere else. Rushing a little bit because people are coming back in. We'll probably make our way around to see other cars. As you can see, there are so many people here, but I'm pretty sure there are more S chassis here than there are people. Another rev battle going on there. We'll go this way. Got an airbag Ute, popping some switches and stuff. It's not really my thing. Might be someone else's. Let's see what we got here. Oh, we got a Supra with his bonnet open. We'll have a look at that. All right, 2JZ, no shit. It looks like it's running the factory turbos. He's got like a front mount intercooler. It's got the factory radiator on there. Interior looks pretty stock. I always liked that whole driver-facing center console, kind of like my E30. It's got some TBC jets. I think Adam LZ's into those. I don't know. They might be the same, they might not be. Definitely turbo because he's got the 4-pot fronts. Not like the other ones we saw, it had only the single pot calipers up front. Yeah, it's pretty rad. Another S chassis. This one's real clean. It's got some Henkies. Now if you watch Lone Star Drift, I'm pretty sure that Aaron's into those. Like I know him. Very nice. Damn, that thing is sitting on limiter, man, like for a good, I don't know how long. Let's see what it is. Oh, it's the Honda Civic. Just rolling through like nothing happened. Hey guys, that's all for today. We'll wrap it up here. Did some cool cars today. It was a bit loud and there's a lot of wind, so hopefully the noise turns out real well. Just wrapping it up here with the karts in the background. Please like and subscribe. Share with your mates if you want. Yeah, I'll see you at the next one. Bought another red MX-5, another MX-5, 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 turbo MX-5.